Alright, so there's the Goodman heat pump starting up. I think I missed it, so I might have to try it again. But the reason why I wanted to get the startup is because you guys probably know this one died a few weeks ago. They just found it out yesterday. So it's getting replaced, and I wanted to get this one because they may have said this one's going to. So I wanted to get the last startup to make, just in case it does. But on the other side, I don't know why it would. Because look at this. It's getting nice and cold and sweaty. It's working great. Unlike that one, this didn't get cold at all. So, yeah, there's the logo. 2-ton GSZ 14 from 2018, and it's a 2-ton. Here's the train right here, which is actually just running a little bit ago, I should say. Yes. Blunt hot air, so that's good. Yeah, it's the Copeland scroll compressor. Show you the compressor on this one real quick. There you go, the dead Copeland scroll. Listen, hey, they want the train. Alright. Yeah. Alright, possibly very last startup, and I might try to get a shutdown. So yeah. But the 2018 2-ton Goodman. I can't do it with that one because it's already disconnected. Well, it's not disconnected, but the power is shut off to it, so it won't run anymore. So this one's no longer in use. It will be getting replaced later this week. Today is Tuesday, June 24th. So it could be getting replaced tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday, one of the three. But yeah, alright. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.